everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is about how to make these gorgeous earrings which are long, beautiful, fashionable paper quilled earrings in blue color, and I have created this to match my outfit, that is the blue gown, and I will share each and every step of making the beautiful mirrored design, the ring design and the jhumka of course. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. I'm starting with making the mirrored piece. For this I am taking one strip of dark blue color in 1 mm and making one tight coil. If you don't have 1 mm strip, you can just cut the 3 mm strip from center to make thin strip. And now on top of this I am sticking same diameter round mirror. Then on the edge I am adding glue, and around this I am going to wrap one strip of dark blue color in 3 mm. Like this. Then add glue around this, and I'm going to stick one diamond chain, and we have to flip the coil upside down, that is mirror part should be on downside, and then start attaching the diamond chain to avoid any stain on the mirror. And to stick all the things like diamond chain, mirror, I am using B6000 or B7000 glue. So this is done. Now around this again I am adding glue, and I'll add 2 strips of medium blue color which is in 3 mm. And this is done, looking so pretty. Then here I am taking 1/4 strip of dark sea blue color and making one tight coil. Similarly I have already prepared some more. And then I am taking half strip of dark sea blue color and making one tight teardrop shape for the centerpiece. Now taking back the mirrored design, and around this I am going to stick all the tight coils, and in the center I will add tight teardrop shape. So this is done. Then for the next shape, here I am taking one bottle cap which is having 1 cm diameter, and around this I am going to add 2 strips of dark blue color in 3 mm and making one ring. So ring is ready. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of dark sea blue color and 1/4 strip of light sea blue color, joining both together and start making one tight coil. So both the shades will merge together and it will create one new shade. And similarly I have already prepared some more tight coils. Now taking back the ring, and in the bottom side of the ring I am going to add glue and stick these tight coils. So in short, we have to cover only half portion of the ring using these tight coils. So in total I am going to add 11 tight coils. and this is completely ready. Allow it to dry. Then taking gold color jump ring, passing light sea blue L'Oreal, then blue color L'Oreal, and again light sea blue L'Oreal through this. These are ready-made L'Oreals. And passing through the 5th tight coil from top like this. Similarly adding on left side. So it should look like this, and taking one more jump ring and connecting the jump ring exactly in the center tight coil and passing through this quilled ring. Secure it nicely. And it should look like this. So both the parts are connected with each other. Then taking one more golden jump ring, passing all 3 L'Oreals again, and then decorating the bottom coils with the same method. So here I have added on the 3rd coil, then on the 5th coil. Similarly from this side 3rd coil and 5th coil. Center coil I have kept as it is to attach the Jhumka with this. Now to make Jhumka, here I am taking 3 strips of dark sap blue color and 3 strips of navy blue color and making one big tight coil. Then taking quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Add glue inside the dome and allow it to dry. Like this. Then around this I am going to stick diamond chain. And on top of this I am attaching blue color ball chain. Like this. Then I am taking here half strip of light sea green color and making one small dome. This is 1 mm strip. And taking again half strip of light sea green color in 3 mm and making one cone shape. So here I am making the bottom hanging which will come below the Jhumka. So the cone is ready and I am going to connect these two parts together to make the complete look. And before that we have to pass one gold eye pin through the cone, then adding glue on both the parts and sticking with each other. Like this. So the drop shape hanging is done. And then to secure both the shapes together nicely, here I am wrapping one more 3mm strip in same color around the center part where both the design has merged, and then passing one blue color bead through this, and using the plier I am making one loop like this. So the hanging is ready. Then opening the loop little bit, passing one more eye pin through this. And then passing this eye pin through the center piece of Jhumka. Add one big size blue color bead and then twisting it from top using plier to make the loop. Like this. Then taking back the Jhumka pattern, taking one golden color jump ring, passing it through the center tight coil and then attaching with the Jhumka. And the earring is ready. Now we have to attach the stud. So to attach the stud, here I am taking two small pieces of blue color and just cutting one small circle shape. So we need total 2 circles. Then taking golden colored stud, passing through one of the circle and securing it nicely with glue. And then on top of this I am attaching another circle. Though we can connect the stud directly on backside of the Jhumka using strong adhesive, but I prefer to use paper stud. That's why I cover the stud with paper, because paper stick nicely with the paper using any adhesive and it will not come out easily. And now just decorating the front top using this leaf shape diamond in blue color, and then on backside of the earring I am sticking the stud using the same B7000 glue. Allow it to dry for a few minutes. And tada, your earring is ready. I have attached the stopper on backside and the color is looking very pretty in peacock shade. You can wear it with sari, any Indian attire or even Western attire. And with the similar method I have prepared one more earring. So the color combination I am loving so much, and I will surely put the picture after wearing whole outfit. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.